Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Bitget logged in on your phone, Google Authenticator installed, and a private place to store a backup key. Open Bitget, go to Security right arrow two-factor authentication, and tap Google Authenticator. This starts the pairing. Once the QR appears, make sure to copy the backup key or screenshot it to a secure vault. This is your recovery if you lose the device. Do not skip backup, because it prevents permanent lockout. Next, you pair the two apps. Open Google Authenticator and choose Add Account, right arrow scan a QR code, point your camera at Bitget's QR. If scanning fails, select Enter a setup key and type the backup key exactly. This avoids errors from broken scans. Once added, observe the code timer and wait for a fresh 30-second cycle so you send a valid token. Make sure your phone clock is accurate, because time drift causes most pairing failures. To finish, type the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Bitget and confirm. This activates 2FA. After success, store the backup key offline. Use a password manager or printed copy in a locked place so you can restore if the phone is lost. If things go wrong, first check your device clock and sync network time, then try reinstalling the app and re-entering the backup key. If you still can't access the account, contact Bitget support with identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.